नमस्कार दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज के इस वीडियो में आपका। और आज हम लोग कुछ कंप्यूटर्स के क्वेश्चंस करने जा रहे हैं, स्पेशली एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम के लिए। और अभी बीकॉम एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम चल रहा है तो उसके भी आप पर मैं करा रहा हूँ। लेकिन ये बिल्कुल बेसिक्स क्वेश्चंस है जो किसी भी एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम में जिसमें कंप्यूटर अगर सिलेबस में है तो ज़रूर ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है उनके लिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा है, द वर्ड कंप्यूटर हैज़ बीन डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लैंग्वेज। और आपके सामने ऑप्शन है ग्रीक, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, लैटिन। सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी, लैटिन। Now let's do question number 2. Input, output and processing device grouped together represent options are mobile device, information processing cycle, option C circuit board, option D computer system. So the correct answer will be option D, computer system. Let's do question number 3. Collecting the data and converting it into information is called option A processing, option B compiling, option C importing, option D exporting. So the correct answer will be option A processing. Now let's do question number 4. Benefits of computer are option A very fast and can store huge amount of data, option B provide accurate output, either input is correct or not CVV, and option C is think about the processing, option D all of the above. So the correct answer will be very fast and can store huge amount of data. Option A is the correct answer. Let's do question number 5. A collection of unprocessed item is option A information, option B data, option C memory, option D reports. So the correct answer will be option B data. Now let's do question number 6. पहले आपको ब्लैंक दिया है, इसको फिल करना है। इज डेटा दैट हैज़ बीन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड प्रेजेंटेड इन अ मीनिंगफुल फैशन। ऑप्शन ए प्रोसेस, ऑप्शन बी सॉफ्टवेयर, ऑप्शन सी स्टोरेज, ऑप्शन डी इंफॉर्मेशन। सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी इंफॉर्मेशन. Information is data that has been organized and presented in meaningful fashion. Let's do question number 7. The earliest calculating device is option A calculator, option B abacus, option C difference engine, option D analytical engine. So the correct answer will be option B abacus. कैलकुलेटर तो फिलहाल यूज हो रहा है तो इसलिए कैलकुलेटर तो किसी हाल में नहीं होगा. Question number 8 is PCs are considered fourth generation and contain option A information, option B data, option C vacuum tubes, and option D are microprocessor. So the correct answer will be option D, microprocessor. Now let's do question number 9. Artificial intelligence is an example of option A first generation computer, option B second generation computer, option C third generation computer, and option D is fifth generation computer. So the correct answer will be option D, fifth generation computer. Now let's do question number 10. Who developed integrated chip? Option A Robert Nayak, option B C Babbage, option C J.S. Kilby, option D C.V. Raman. So the correct answer will be option C J.S. Kilby. Let's do question number 11. Computers that are portable and convenient to use for users who travel are known as option A supercomputer, option B मिनी कंप्यूटर, ऑप्शन सी मिनी फ्रेम कंप्यूटर्स, ऑप्शन डी लैपटॉप्स. तो ये तो हमारी बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चंस है. हम अपने ध्यान में थोड़ा सा रखेंगे तो भी समझ में आ जाएगा कि ट्रेवल करते समय हम कंप्यूटर का भी यूज कर ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि उसके लिए CPU चाहिए वगैरह चाहिए सब कुछ, और लैपटॉप हम इजीली यूज कर सकते हैं. तो इसलिए हमारा क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर लैपटॉप्स. लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Desktop and personal computer are also known as option A supercomputer, option B servers, option C mainframes, option D microcomputers. So the correct answer will be option D microcomputers. Let's do question number 13. The component is required to process data into information and consist of integrated circuits. Option A hard disk, option B RAM, option C CPU, option D ROM. So the correct answer will be option C CPU, central processing unit. Let's do question number 14. Where does computer add and compare data? Option A hard disk, option B floppy disk, option C CPU chip, option D memory chip. So the correct answer will be option D memory chip. In memory chip the computer add and compare data. Let's do question number 15. CPU is fabricated as a single integrated circuit which is known as. ऑप्शंस आर दिस. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी माइक्रो प्रोसेसर. दोस्तों मैं ऑप्शंस नहीं पढ़ूंगा, तुरंत क्वेश्चन पढ़ूंगा और केवल और आंसर बताऊंगा क्योंकि काफ़ी वीडियो लंबा हो जाएगा. द मेन जॉब ऑफ सी पी यू इज. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी both A and 3 means carry out program instruction, process data and information. Question number 17. The CPU comprises of control memory and blank unit. So the correct answer will be option B arithmetic logic units. Question number 19. Computer is a or an battery, electronic machine, all of these, none of these. So the correct answer will be option B electronic machine. Let's do question number 20. The father of computer is. So the correct answer will be Charles Babbage. Question number 21. Analytical engine developed by. So the correct answer will be Charles Babbage. यानी कंप्यूटर का फादर वही है और एनालिटिकल इंजन भी चार्ल्स बैबेज ही डेवलप किए हैं. लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. Pascaline is also known by. So the correct answer will be option B adding machine. Let's do question number 23. Who is father of modern computer? So the correct answer will be option B Alan Turing. Question number 24. Brain of computer is known as. And options are, so the correct answer will be CPU, central processing unit. Question number 25. The and fill करना है is responsible for performing calculation and containing decision making mechanism. So the correct answer will be option C ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Let's do question number 26. It is related to input output devices. Question number 26 is a or an blank device is any device that provide information which is sent to CPU. Option A input, option B output, option C CPU. So the correct answer will be input. Question number 27. Information that comes from external source and fed into computer software is called. So the answer will be input. Question number 28. The units send the processed result to the user and options are. So the correct answer will be output. Let's do question number 29. Question number 29 is output unit includes. Option A plotter, option B. So the correct answer will be all of these because these two you can understand, this both gives output and plotter also gives output. Let's do question number 30. To move the beginners of a line or of text, press the blank key. So the correct answer will be option C home. Question number 31. Shift, control, alter are example of which among the following category. So the correct answer will be option A modifies keys. Question number 32. Pointing device include the following except. So the correct answer will be option D keyboard. Question number 33. What type of device is a computer mouse? So the correct answer will be input, out, storage, output, input. So the correct answer will be input. Question number 34. First computer mouse was built by. So the correct answer will be Douglas Engelbart. Question number 35. Keyboard and blank are the example of input. Keyboard and mouse. is the example of input. Question number 36. Track ball is an example of A and options are this. So the correct answer will be option B, pointing device. Question number 37. A joystick is primarily used to for, and the correct answer will be option B, computer gaming. Question number 38. A device which is used for making drawings, graphics and for menu selection is. So the correct answer will be light pen. Question number 39. Is blank is generally used in application like ATM, hospitals, airline reservation, etc. So the correct answer will be option B, touch screen. Question number 40. The pattern of printed line on mouse products are called. So the correct answer will be option D, barcodes. Thanks for watching this video, and the next questions will be done in next video. So please subscribe this channel, and once again thank you so much for watching this video.